Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 6 subject maths. Today we shall start new chapter practical geometry. In these chapters we shall learn to make the shapes. By making the shapes we need to use some tools. We shall begin with listing these tools, describing them and looking at how they are used. You see, the first one, equipments, or you can say tools, that is scale. In your geometrical compass box you have this scale. Now what is the use of this scale? It is used to draw straight line, right? And whenever we want to take any radius of the circle, at that time we use this scale. And how to use the scale, that I will tell you. Now this is scale and we have to start to measure our point from here. Okay, from here, this point. Suppose we want to take a radius 2.4. Then here we have to use another equipment, another tool. This is known as compass, right? So if we want to take the radius 3.2, here we just put this scale like this way, start the pointer. This is the pointer, right? So this pointer you have to put from the starting position of the scale and take the radius, say for example 4 centimeter. Then we have to draw like this way, 4 centimeter radius, 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter radius, like this way. Okay, like this way. So change the radius by using this compass. This is compass, this is scale. So dear students, to draw construction, whenever we require scale, at that time we write using scale, and whenever we require compass we write using compass. Okay, here you see the compass where a pointer and pencil is there. Pencil must be sharpened one, right? It should be sharpened one. So this compass is used to draw circle or take arc. In your geometrical compass box you can see this tool. It is named as divider, a pair of pointers, right? It is used to compare the length. In your geometrical compass box or in your compass box you can see these two set square. It is called set square. That is, the shape is two triangles. Now you can see here, this first one 90 degrees over here, in second one 90 degrees over here. Now in this first one this is 90 degree, this is 45 degree, and this is 45 degree. So 45 plus 45 90 plus 90 180. And we know the angle sum property of the triangle. I think you must study in your previous standard. The sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. Similarly here this is 90 degree, right? This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. 60 plus 30 90, 90 plus 90 180. So this is set square. So whenever we require to draw perpendicular lines, at that time we use this set square. We can draw with the help of set square parallel line also. This semicircular figure it is known as protractor, and protractor which is used to draw different angles. You see how to draw an angle, right? See, we knew that the angle which is starting from, it is here, you see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, then 90, 100, 110, 120, up to 180. Bigger circle from externally also it is starting from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, like this way to 180 over here, right? Now, 180 degree means straight angle, right? 90 degree means right angle. Angle between 0 degree and 90 degree, that is all angles, they are known as acute angles. There also you have studied angle between 90 degree and 180 degree, all angles are obtuse angles, right? That I think you must studied in your previous standard. Okay, so we use these all tools wherever we require and draw constructions. Okay, but most probably we use scale and compass. Okay, so you can see here in our textbook we are going to consider ruler and compasses constructions. Using ruler only to draw lines, right? And compass only to draw arcs or circle, right? One thing is more important, that radius and radii. What is the difference? Radius. Radius means what? Singular form, and radii radii means what? It is a plural, means if you want to draw more than one radius, at that time we use that plural form. जैसे तूत का तीत होता है ना, वैसे बच्चों रेडियस का रेडाई, RADII. So don't be confused. Now here there are some instructions, that is construction of circle when its radius is known, right? And how to draw the construction of circle? You must know that you see in the middle center is there, and then you see the radius is there. Here they take how many radius? You see how you have to put your compass, and how many they take the radius? 0 to 3 means 3 centimeter. They just take the 3 centimeter and draw circle like this way. Okay, so you can draw the construction of circle. Circle always have its center, right? So we have to use the center of the circle and take the radius with the help of compass, right? And draw circle. So dear student, let's begin with exercise 14.1. Question number 1. Draw a circle of a radius 3.2 centimeter. Here they have not mentioned that you have to write down the steps, but we write the steps because in further standard, right? When you will go in 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, steps are required. So how to write the steps fundamentally, that also we are going to learn. Okay, so let's begin with question number 1. Draw a circle of a radius 3.2 centimeter. So dear students, we write the step as well as draw the construction. Step number 1, open the compass, means take compass, right? Open the compass, open it, right? Like this way. This is close the compass. Now this is open the compass. Using compass, take O as the center. So like this way, take O as the center, right? Step number 1. Step number 2, take a radius 3.2 centimeter using scale. Okay. Now using scale, start from here, take a 3.2 radius like this way. Here I am taking 3.2 radius and draw circle. Put your point on the O part, means O point, and draw the circle. This is, I think, step number 3, like this way. So from point O, step number 3, draw a circle. Draw a circle of a radius 3.2 centimeter. Hence or so circle is ready. Okay, so like this way you draw this construction number 1. Here you can write down O as a center, radius is equal to 3.2 centimeter, like this way in your notebook, right? So 3.2 centimeter radius circle is ready. Question number 2, with the same center O, draw 2 circles of radii. देखो यहाँ radii आया, radius का plural, more than one radius, right? That is radii. 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter means what? You have to draw with the same center. एक ही center से आपको 2 circle draw करना है, right? So that steps we look first and then draw that construction. But don't do like this. Parallelly means you have to write down whatever you are doing, just write down, है ना? Each step you have to write down. पहले सपोज आपने स्केल जैसे आप स्टेप्स जाते हो वन बाय वन, वैसे आप ड्रॉ भी करते जाओ, राइट? बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि फर्स्ट दे हैव टू राइट डाउन द स्टेप्स एंड देन ड्रॉ द सर्कल. नो, नॉट लाइक दैट. You have to see the steps and draw. Steps and draw. Okay. Here this is a step of construction. Take O as a center. Correct? So take O as a center. Here I am taking the radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Correct? And then draw the circle. Like this way you can draw. Okay. Now the next step, take the same center. Again using scale, take a radius 2.5 centimeter and draw another circle with same center, right? That is from point O. And hence the given construction is ready, like this way. So let's see. So now take radius different, that is 2.5. Okay. And then draw circle with same center, like this way. Your center should be right. So this is another circle just now I have drawn of radius 2.5 centimeter. Okay, here our construction is ready. And here are the homework of these two constructions. Number 1, draw a circle with a radius 4.5 centimeter and write its steps. राइट सेंटर आप ए बी सी डी कोई भी आप ले सकते हो, ऐसे नहीं कि वो ही लेना है, स्टेप भी लिखना और ये रेडियस 4.5 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. सेम कंस्ट्रक्शन, ड्रॉ 2 सर्कल्स विद द सेम सेंटर दैट इज पी. इस बार पी लेना है, राइट? एंड रेड आई अलग अलग लेना है, 3.4 सेंटीमीटर एंड 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, so these two construction is homework for you. Next time we will do another questions. Okay, so till here we have studied. Okay, So thank you and have a nice day.